Good morning, everybody. Today, I am going to present the last part of our group presentation. The other members of this group are Dr. Pramod K.M., Mrs. Rajita K.V., Dr. Niranjana K.P., and me, Abhilash Kumar K.G. We are discussing about the issues in assessment at graduate level. And my duty is to present some suggestions to improve the scheme of summative assessment at graduate level. As our members have discussed or presented, there are so many issues involved in the assessment process at graduate level. It needs very serious kind of involvement in order to resolve these limitations. But when we are arranging it in a chronological order or in an order of sense of priority, I would like to suggest that the assessment should be included in the syllabus of UGC NET examinations, because the qualifying candidate should have a peripheral knowledge about the process of assessment and the theoretical aspects involved in it. Since no other training program is there for entering as a teacher at higher education. And further, after a candidate or a teacher entered into a service, he or she should attain proper training in the field of assessment, both theoretical and practical aspects of question paper setting, then the assessment, etc. It will enable him to understand the various aspects of assessment. And in addition to this, our faculty induction programs and refresher courses should be restructured in order to reserve at least 2 days in the schedule exclusively for discussing the issues involved in assessment, as well as a training on question paper setting. Our universities has also an ample opportunity to resolve the issues or the problems involved in assessment, particularly the summative assessment. They should take initiative to conduct workshop and training programs on question paper setting with the help of the School of Education in the university concerned. All the university have their own Department of Education. They should initiate some training programs or workshops for the higher college teachers and university teachers in question paper setting or the aspects of assessment. Then prepare a panel of experts. Will be another important thing for question paper setting to each discipline. It will resolve so many issues already mentioned by my other group members. Then organize workshops and for question paper setting with the participation of at least 3 teachers, 3 experts from each discipline, and prepare a pool of questions or question bank. It's another important suggestion as far as from our part. That question bank or question pool should contain questions which satisfying all the requirements of a perfect summative assessment. Then question paper setters should be provided a model question paper with blueprint in order to familiarize the learning outcomes, distribution of domains, unit-wide distribution of mark, etc. When a teacher is called for some kind of or invited for a question paper setting of a question paper, he should be provided with a blueprint, a model question paper with blueprint in which he can or she can familiarize what are the learning outcomes, the distribution of domains, the unit-wide distribution of marks, etc. And finally, but last but not least, the Board of Studies should consider these issues of summative assessment while preparing the curriculum and syllabus. It is they should be aware of when framing the curriculum or syllabus. We should understand, or we should consider the issues of summative assessment and problems involved in it. And the curriculum revision should try to address how we can transcend these limitations of summative assessment. Thank you all.